COVID-19 crisis, the awards ceremony, originally scheduled for April 18th in Toronto, Canada, has been replaced by a virtual ceremony conducted entirely online. This video is the result. My name is Bob Nemec, organizer of the Toronto Smalltalk user group, and I'm your master of ceremonies for this event. JRMPC, or the James Robertson Memorial Programming Competition, was created to celebrate the life of James Robertson, one of the greatest advocates of the Smalltalk programming language. His contributions are most recognized in his wonderful instructional videos as well as his blogs. Sadly, James passed away April 17th, 6 years ago, far too soon. Smalltalk is one of the most remarkable programming languages in the world. It is renowned for three main qualities. First, the language is extremely simple and easy to learn. In fact, you can learn its entire syntax within 15 minutes. Second, Smalltalk is the purest of object-oriented languages. It was brilliantly conceived by Alan Kay to be highly scalable and extensible. Alan Kay calls Smalltalk a software internet. Third, Smalltalk is one of the most productive programming languages. It is common to write a Smalltalk application a fraction of the time it would take in other languages, such as Python, JavaScript, and Java. Smalltalk is endlessly versatile. It can be used for web development, Internet of Things, data science, machine learning, robotics, virtual reality, enterprise business computing, and so on. There's very little that Smalltalk can't do. I would like to thank the principal sponsors of this competition. Labware is the world's leader in laboratory automation. They are the platinum sponsor. Ryerson is one of Canada's major universities. They do leading research in Smalltalk development. Cimarron is a prominent Smalltalk consultancy in Ottawa, Canada. They provided the software base for the competition. Now I would like to give the sponsors the opportunity to say a few words. First is Mark Gonzalez of Labware.
Hello, my name is Mark Gonzalez. I am the Technical Director at Labware. We are a US-based software company with offices and personnel all over the world. Labware is the leading provider of laboratory information management systems, with thousands of customers in over 100 countries. Our software is used to ensure product quality, as well as enabling innovation and cooperation within research and development. Every day, you interact with a product or service that has been touched by Labware software. We selected Smalltalk to help us create a powerful, yet flexible software solution. Over the years, Smalltalk has enabled us to meet significant programming challenges without requiring enormous development resources. For this reason, we are proud to sponsor the James Robertson Memorial Programming Competition. We believe that programming is both a science and an art, and we are thrilled to help create a new generation of talented programmers. To those of you young men and women who participated in the competition, very well done. I hope the experience has opened your eyes to the uniqueness of Smalltalk. Working in a live development environment gives a programmer a stronger sense of interacting with both the hardware below as well as the users above the code. We congratulate the winners of the competition and hope that all of you will continue exploring the programming world. Thank you very much and good luck in your future endeavors.
Here is Dr. David Cram, Dean of Science at Ryerson.
Hi, I'm Dave Cram, Dean of Science at Ryerson University. Welcome to this virtual awards ceremony. The Faculty of Science is proud to be a sponsor of this award ceremony and this endeavor. I'm a coder from way back myself, so I understand the joy and the sorrow of debugging programs. So I'm really proud of everything that all of you have accomplished, and I hope this was an enjoyable step along your career path to future coding endeavors. Enjoy.
Here is Professor Dave Mason, Chair of Computer Science at Ryerson.
Hi, I'm Dave Mason. I am the Chair of the Computer Science Department at Ryerson University, and I'd like to welcome you to this virtual award ceremony. Of course, I'd like to congratulate all the teams that participated in this competition, and especially the winners. Over the last 50 years, I've programmed hundreds of thousands of lines of code in dozens of programming languages, including things like Python, C, Java, JavaScript. And in my almost 40 years of teaching, I've taught students many of those languages as well. But none of them are as expressive and natural as Smalltalk, to the point that I essentially program primarily in Smalltalk for almost a decade now. I hope you got some of that experience in working on the competition. Not only do I program in Smalltalk, but my research is mostly about Smalltalk these days, particularly making Smalltalk usable in more and more contexts, such as the World Wide Web and data centers. My grad students and I present every year at Smalltalk conferences, such as the one in Cologne, Germany last year, where I got this shirt. Finally, I wish you the best of luck in your future programming endeavors and invite you to consider Ryerson Computer Science if you're looking for a university degree. Goodbye.
Here is David Buck, CEO of Symbaron.
Hi, my name is David Buck, and I'm president of Symbaron Incorporated, one of the sponsors of the James Robertson Memorial Programming Competition. I've been programming professionally for 40 years now. In that time, one of the most important things I've learned is that software development is hard, so you should do as much as you can to make it easier. Keep your code as short and simple as possible. Avoid duplicated code. Make your code easy to read and easy to discover. Use programming languages that are simple and don't get in your way, and use development environments that let you work quickly and help you understand what your code is doing. Over the years, I've used many programming languages and development environments. In my mind, Smalltalk provides the best mix of simple code and powerful tools. In fact, Smalltalk is often the leader in state-of-the-art techniques for modern software development. I hope this competition has helped you learn a few things about software development. Whether or not you use Smalltalk in the future, I hope the experience of using Smalltalk has changed the way you view programming. James Robertson was a good friend of mine. He and I used to record podcasts about Smalltalk and software development. We believed that Smalltalk offered the best language and software development environment around. I hope you had a chance to see why we were so enthusiastic about it. Congratulations to all the winners, and in fact to all the teams who participated. If you learned more about software development and had fun, then the competition was a success. Thank you all.
So, without further ado, here are the award winners. First prize of $4,500 goes to Team WCI1 of Waterloo Collegiate Institute in Waterloo, Ontario. Keenan Googler is team captain. The rest of the team includes Alex Leal and Thomas Ingram. Unfortunately, Ethan White vacated the team.
On behalf of my team, I would like to express my gratitude for this award. I'd like to thank the sponsors that made this competition possible. Thank you to Labware, to Ryerson University, and to Symbaron for sponsoring this competition to make it the masterpiece that it was. Thank you to Smalltalk Renaissance for organizing this original competition. It was challenging, fun, and different, and my team enjoyed working on each challenge as they came. Finally, thank you to my teammates for the fun we had and the work we put in to achieve this prize. Thank you to the other teams for creating friendly competition and a lot of fun. To everyone who made this competition as fun as it was, thank you.
Second prize of $4,000 goes to Team Dykstra of Centennial Collegiate Vocational Institute in Guelph, Ontario. Andrew Dong is team captain. The rest of the team includes David Tsao, Alexander Liu, and Braden Chumbley.
I'm Andrew, and today I have the privilege of speaking on behalf of my team, Team Dykstra from Centennial CVI of Guelph, Ontario. First, we want to thank Richard for creating this award ceremony despite the current COVID-19 pandemic, and we wish that everyone stays safe and healthy during these times. We want to start by thanking the sponsors of this contest, Labware, Simbaran, and Ryerson University, as well as everyone else who donated for creating such a generous prize pool. Also, thank you to Smalltalk Renaissance, with Richard for providing us with constant email updates and being the organizer of this contest, as well as the programmers who designed a very interesting challenge for us all to try. Thank you also to Mr. Cutton, our teacher, and all the other teachers for introducing us to this contest, as well as providing support the whole way through. And finally, thank you to the other competitors for giving us tough competition, especially Bickle Platoon and WCI1. And I would also like to thank my teammates, Alex, Braden, and David, for enduring the challenges we faced together, as well as the late night sessions to try and get our code in on time. This contest indeed presented many challenges, such as working together on a coding project, as well as learning a new language, which we had all never seen before, in a new development environment in a relatively short period of time. We all have major takeaways from this contest, such as better time management, better understanding of object-oriented design, as well as learning to work with a team on a project. Thank you again to everyone who made this possible, and congratulations to the other teams. We are very honored to receive the second place prize.
Third prize of $3,000 goes to Team Pickle Blatwoon of Robert Thirsk High School in Calgary, Alberta. Xinghua Kao is team captain. The rest of the team includes Hunter Chan, Umet Emre, and Ethan Kerr.
Hi, my name is Roger Cao, and I'm the team captain of Bickle Platoon. You probably know me as Xinhua on the leaderboard. We are honored to receive the third place of JRMPC. First and foremost, I'd like to thank many sponsors and individuals who have made this competition possible. Without them sponsoring this competition, we would not have heard about this event, and even if we did, we would not be motivated enough to participate. I'd also like to thank those that organized this contest, namely Richard Kenneth and the Smalltalk Renaissance, and all the people who may have worked behind the scenes to develop, moderate, and promote the competition. On behalf of our team, we would also like to congratulate other participating teams for their successes and thank them for their effort, their dedication, and persistence in the face of new challenges. This competition is quite the experience for us. Part of the challenge from this competition is that Smalltalk is so different from other languages that we have encountered. Because of this, we often make many rookie mistakes, such as not putting a colon before the equal sign, forgetting that orders of operations don't exist, using the round brackets for while loops, and most importantly, we learn to not put our strategy as a class name for the world to see. As we're trying to develop our strategy, we're also trying to figure out how the contest API and how Smalltalk works. Sometimes I feel like we have no idea what we're doing, but in the end, we figured it out and it mostly works. So all's well that ends well. Although the end result is not ideal for us, we still had lots of fun and learned a lot during this competition. When I first heard of Smalltalk, I thought it was a bad language, unorthodox syntax, higher learning curve, and bad usability. After finishing this competition, I still think that this language is hard to use and hard to learn, but at least I gain a deeper understanding of how object-oriented programming works, and a better appreciation of Smalltalk and its role in computer science. Again, I would just like to thank everyone who have made this competition possible in every way. Although I'm sure everyone involved was hoping for an in-person award ceremony, we are happy that the contest organizers are able to improvise in order to adapt to the rapidly changing climate and help us overcome these challenging times. It is also impossible to express our gratitude for individuals across the world who are currently playing a part to keep people healthy and to keep the essential needs of people met. Thank you for your time.
Additional awards of $500 are presented to the honor roll for their fine efforts. This includes Team The Battle of Waterloo from Woodbridge College in Vaughan, Ontario, and Teams Computationalism and Quadcoders from St. Michael's University School in Victoria, BC.
Hi, my name is Ben. I'm the team captain for our team, the Battle of Waterloo. My teammates and I would like to graciously accept the Median Award for 4th place in the James Robertson Memorial Programming Competition. We would also like to thank the sponsors of this competition, Labware, Ryerson, and Symbrian. To be recognized for such an award is a great honor, especially since our team spent over 100 combined hours working on various pieces of code related to the competition. Though we were hoping to finish in the top 3, we still had a lot of fun working on our robot and learning a new programming language. We hope that the skills that we learned in this competition will be invaluable to our future careers as software developers. I would also like to personally thank my teammate Jack Ashkenazi for his invaluable contributions to our robot, and without whom we would not have finished where we did. Thanks again for organizing such a fun event, and congratulations to the other teams for their hard work. Certainly was a close competition.
Hello there, I'm the captain of one of the teams that participated in the James Robertson Memorial Programming Contest and won the Median Award. Firstly, I would like to thank Labware, Ryerson University, and Symbrian for sponsoring the awards and the competition. We really appreciate your doing that. The whole process was a lot of fun. We particularly enjoyed trying to go from just having our strategy planned out in our heads to having it actually coded into a program so that it could be implemented. Part of what made this process so enjoyable was having such an easy and intuitive programming language at our disposal with which to write this code. It saved us from spending countless hours looking for bugs that had resulted purely from our not remembering a detail regarding syntax. It came as quite a surprise to us when we were able to write our first program so quickly and without such hassles. I think the main thing we learned during this contest was just how important soft skills are to the entire process of software development. We could have gotten tasks done much more quickly if we had better understood which tasks each of us was in charge of and exactly what each task was. However, I think we did manage to improve our communication skills quite a bit, something that will no doubt be of incalculable value to us later in life. Thanks again for setting this event up.
Thank you for the opportunity to participate in the inaugural Smalltalk competition. I learned a lot over the 5 weekly challenges and really enjoyed the experience. I look forward to participating in the next year's competition and perhaps place in the top 3. Thank you.
Congratulations to everyone. The purpose of JRMPC is to encourage people to try Smalltalk programming. I hope you'll consider it. For learning resources, visit smalltalk.tech.blog and read the resources page. Thank you all for watching.